These five cards came out in sequence, and I genuinely stopped breathing for a second. If you are watching this reading is yours. Comment, I received this below. The more energy you put into this reading, the more this reading gives back to you. I want you to take a deep breath right now. Seriously, wherever you are, whatever you are doing before you clicked on this video, just pause for 1 second because something brought you here. And in a moment, I'm going to show you exactly what these cards are saying. 3 days, that is all. Something is about to shift, and these cards laid it out so clearly that I had to record it immediately. Before I flip these cards, I just want to say if you found this video today, whether it was posted an hour ago or whether you're watching this 6 months from now, it does not matter. The timing is not a coincidence. I truly believe that. The universe does not accidentally send people to readings. You were guided here, your energy matched this message, and whatever you have been quietly hoping for, quietly worrying about, quietly waiting on, the cards picked up on all of it. I am Tanya, and this is Cosmic Path Tarot. My readings are energy exchanges. I put everything I have into these cards, and the universe delivers it to the people who are meant to receive it. If that is you, welcome. You are exactly where you need to be. I want to speak to what you have been feeling lately because the energy coming through before I even touched these cards was so specific. There is a feeling of standing at the edge of something, like you are right at the door of a new chapter, but you keep hesitating to walk through it. Maybe because you do not fully trust of what is on the other side yet. Maybe because people around you have made you second guess yourself. Maybe because life has disappointed you before and some part of you is protecting your heart by staying still. You have been doing a lot of thinking, more than usual, I feel. Replaying conversations, wondering if you made the right call on something, wondering if the thing you want is actually coming or if you're just fooling yourself. And underneath all of that, there is a quiet but persistent feeling like something is close, like the air has shifted, like your life is about to look different, and you can almost feel it, but you cannot quite grab it yet. That feeling is real, and these cards just confirmed it. Okay, the Fool. This is the first card, and it's already telling me everything. The Fool in tarot is not what the name makes it sound like. This is not about foolishness. This is not about naivety. The Fool is card zero in the major arcana in tarot, which means it sits outside of the numbered sequence entirely. It represents the beginning before the beginning, the breath before the leap, the moment you are standing at the edge of a cliff with everything you own in a little bag on your shoulder, and the whole world stretching out below you. The Fool is not afraid. That is the whole point. He's not looking down, he's looking up at the sky, completely open to whatever is next. This card showing up as the first card in the spread is the universe's way of telling you a brand new beginning is entering your life within the next 3 days. Not eventually, not someday, 3 days. Something new is knocking on your door. A new opportunity, a new energy, a new version of a situation you thought was closed. Whatever it is, it carries the energy of pure possibility. No baggage, no past, just an open road ahead of you. The question the Fool always asks is, are you willing to step? Not knowing exactly how it lands, not having a guarantee, just trusting the moment enough to move. I am getting a strong sense that there is something you have been holding yourself back from, something you keep almost doing and then pulling back on. The Fool is showing up here to say, the time you have been waiting for, it is now. Whatever that thing is for you, the universe is calling you forward. Okay. Oh my god, we have the Eight of Wands here. If you needed confirmation that this is not a slow, gentle energy coming in, this card just gave it to you. The Eight of Wands is one of the fastest moving cards in the entire tarot deck. When this card shows up, things do not trickle in, they arrive. All at once, like a burst of energy that changes everything in a very short period of time. Visually, this card is Eight of Wands flying through the air at full speed. No obstacles, no resistance, just pure forward momentum cutting through. Visually, this card is Eight Wands flying through the air at full speed. No obstacles, no resistance, just pure forward momentum cutting through. Through a clear sky, I'll say. That is energy heading towards you. What this means, paired with the Fool, not only is something new beginning for you, it is beginning fast. The moment that is coming is not something you have time to overthink about. It is going to show up and is going to require you to act, to respond, to meet it with the same energy that it is bringing to you. Messages, opportunities, news, things that have felt stuck or slow or delayed. The Eight of Wands says they are in motion now. They are already on their way to you. Something you have been waiting to hear, you are going to hear it. Something you have been waiting to happen, it is already moving. I also want to say that communication is huge with this card. If there is someone you have been meaning to reach out to, or someone you have been hoping you would reach out to, the Eight of Wands says that the energy is moving. Watch your messages, watch your phone, pay attention to whoever shows up in the next 72 hours. And then there is this one, Judgment. I genuinely paused when this came out because Judgment in the middle of this spread, flanked by the Fool and the Eight of Wands on one side, and the cards I'm about to show you on the other, this is not a subtle message. This is a turning point card. The Judgment card in tarot depicts figurines rising from what looks like their past, lifted up by a great call, a trumpet, awakening. It is a card of rising, I'll say. It is a card of hearing the call that has been meant for you and you finally answering it. Whatever the universe is, something is awakening in you, or rather, something has already awakened. And in the next 3 days, it's when you'll start to feel it fully. This is your moment of rising, and you are ready for it, even if it does not feel like it yet. Look at these three cards together for a second: the Fool, the Eight of Wands, and Judgment. A new beginning moving at lightning speed, followed by a complete awakening. The universe built this sequence deliberately. This is not random. This is a story unfolding in exactly in 3 days. And the last two cards are going to tell you how it ends. If you are feeling something right now, a tightness in your chest, a sense of recognition, like this is speaking directly to your situation, that is not your imagination. This is your intuition confirming what your logical mind has been trying to talk you out of. Trust is, stay with me. If you are feeling something right now, a tightness in your chest, a sense of recognition, like this is speaking directly to your situation, that is not your imagination. This is your intuition confirming what your logical mind has been trying to talk you out of. Trust it, stay with me. The High Priestess. Oh, she always gives me chills when she comes out in a spread like this. The High Priestess here sits between two pillars, one black, one white. One is light and the other one is dark. I'll say it as the known and the unknown. She holds a scroll in her lap, but it is partially hidden because not all knowledge is meant to be revealed at once. She is cloaked in mystery. She does not speak loudly. She does not announce herself, but what she shows up in a reading, she is always saying the same thing. that you already know. You already know what you need to do. You already know what is true. You already know which direction to move in. The High Priestess is not here to give you new information. She's here to remind you that the information you have been looking for everywhere has been inside you the entire time. In this position, the fourth card coming right after the judgment, she is the guide for your awakening. She is the wisdom that rises with you as the old layers fall away. She is the quiet, certain knowing that steps forward once the noise clears. She is also deeply connected to things happening beneath the surface. Hidden truths coming to light, something you suspected but could not confirm. The High Priestess says the clarity is coming. Within 3 days, something that has been unclear, obscured, or withheld from you is going to become known. She is also a signal to trust your gut completely right now. Whatever your instinct is telling you about a person, a situation, a decision, she's saying, listen to that. Your intuition has been working overtime for a reason. It has been trying to get your attention. And now is the time to let it guide you. And the final card, the Three of Cups. Yes, yes, yes. If these five cards are a story, and they are, the Three of Cups is the ending that the universe has been building towards the entire reading. This card shows three figures dancing, cups raised high, celebrating together. It is pure joy, pure connection, pure abundance flowing freely and being shared. The Three of Cups is the card of celebration arriving, of good news, of something that was hoped for finally coming through in a way that makes you want to call and share it with other people. It is community, it is love, it is relief. It is the moment after the breakthrough when you finally exhale. This card, as the final card in the spread, is a universal signature on everything that came before it. The new beginning of the Fool, it leads here. The rapid movement of Eight of Wands, it arrives here. The awakening of Judgment and the wisdom of the High Priestess, they all guide you to this card, which is the celebration, which is Three of Cups. To celebration, to something worth celebrating within the next 3 days. This could look like receiving news that fills you up with relief and joy at the same time. A situation resolving in your favor, a relationship deepening or reconnecting in a very beautiful way, a moment of feeling genuinely fully supported by a person, by the universe, all in all, by life itself. The Three of Cups also speaks to the people around you. Someone who loves you is going to show up for you in a way that surprises you, I feel. Not in a dramatic way, in a real warm, we are in this together kind of way. And it is going to remind you that you are not doing this alone. Let me give you a full picture of what these five cards are saying together. Something new is entering your life, fast, powerfully, with an energy that is going to feel different from what you've been used to. As it arrives, something inside of you wakes up. An old version of you that doubted, the one that waited, and the one that I feel played safe begins to step back. And in its place, something clearer, something wiser, something more aligned with who you are actually begins to take over. And within the next 3 days, you will start to feel it. You feel the shift, and something happens that is tangible, that you can point to, that reminds you the universe has been working on your behalf, even if the seasons felt like it was nothing. And within 3 days, you feel it. You feel the shift. Something happens that is tangible, that you can point to, that reminds you that the universe has been working on your behalf, even in the seasons when it felt like nothing was moving. I want to be really clear about something, that this is not a soft, maybe if everything goes right kind of reading. The spread that you see here, the Fool into the Eight of Wands, into Judgment, into High Priestess, and finally into the Three of Cups is one of the most complete, purposeful sequences I have seen in a long, long time. Every card is amplifying the one before it. There is no contradiction here, no tension, no reversal. This is a clear, direct, beautiful message from the universe to you. You're on the edge of something real. And the universe is not just opening a door for you, it is holding it open, waiting for you to walk through. Whatever you have been manifesting, love, money, clarity, a fresh start, a new opportunity, healing, reconnecting, whatever it is, this reading says it is in motion. It is already headed towards you. Your only job right now is to stay open, to trust your instincts, to stop letting outside voices drown you out when you already know on the inside what is right. Comment below, I am ready right now. Tell the universe you are ready to receive what is already on its way. I want you to do something for me before you leave this video. I want you to sit with this for a moment. Not scroll away immediately, not move on to the next thing, just let this land. Because sometimes universe sends you a message and you see it, you feel it, and the noise of everyday life immediately takes over and the message gets buried. Do not let that happen today. If this reading resonated with you, and I have a feeling it did, share it with someone who you love who might need to hear this too. Someone who has been in a waiting season, someone who has been quietly hoping for a breakthrough. Karma is a real energy exchange. The good you put out always comes back. If you want more readings like these, follow this page. I post regularly, and every reading I do carries the same intention to get the right message to the right person at the right time. If this one found you, the next one will too. 3 days, watch what happens, and when it does, come back and tell me in the comments. I read every single one. I'm sending you so much love and such clear, open energy. The universe has been watching over you. These cards just proved it. Take care of yourself, and I will see you in the next one.